Good afternoon from the Ruby Room at Cornell Public Library. I'm Miss Jennifer, and for today's Tinker Tuesday, we have our monthly engineering challenge. Hopefully you've picked up your engineering challenge kit. We're going to go over what's inside your kit. So inside your kit, you're going to find next month's Tinker Tuesdays. You're going to find some straws. You're going to find your rubber duck. You will find glue dots, and you will find a piece of saran wrap that you can unfold. Here's what you're going to need from home for this particular engineering challenge. You're going to need a container for water. It needs to be a container big enough to hold whatever raft you create to keep your rubber duck dry. So you've got at your disposal these materials right here. You've got your saran wrap, you've got your straws, you have glue dots. You can also use from home as much tape as you want from home, and the use of scissors. So if you want to cut anything up, that you're free to do that. And the whole point is to make a little raft for your rubber ducky so that he can stay dry. So I hope you guys enjoy this Tinker Tuesday and one of our almost last engineering challenge. Next month is actually going to be our last month of Tinker Tuesdays before we break for the summer. Next week, we're going to make chromatography flower bouquets. So I will see you next week for that, and see you then. All right, bye.